hard to get what we want here. The slope won't let us in because the hitch locks into the road. We could build ramps up there, but it's gonna be a big hassle. And over here, we're getting close to the wires. Bare wires energized, so we don't want to crowd that anymore, especially in the rain. So, a little bit of a puzzle today. The good news is we'll be real strong right here. Like, crazy strong. Because later we have to set the stump grinder in the yard. 1, 2, 3, and a butt log, 4 picks.
I ain't complicated, guess that you could say I'm a simple man. Ain't a lot that I need, some sand under my feet and something with rum in it in my hand. Cause if there's waves, I'm surfing. If it's flat, I'm fishing. If it's day, I'm beaching. If it's night, I'm drinking. Got a good life, having a good time. Everything is alright. I'm in a sunshine state of mind. I know this old boat don't look like it'll float, but it gets me there. And I ain't getting rich, but on this side of the bridge, nobody cares. No, no, I got a good life, having a good time. Everything is alright. I'm in a sunshine state of mind. If it's flat, I'm fishing. If it's day, I'm beaching. If it's night, I'm drinking. Got a good-looking woman I'm kissing. Good friends that know how to listen. There ain't a thing that I'm missing. No, I got a good life, having a good time. Yeah, everything is alright. I'm in a sunshine state of mind. Having a good time. Everything is alright. I'm in a sunshine state of mind. Yeah, I got a good life, having a good time. Everything is alright. I'm in a sunshine state of mind. State of mind.
rest of the day. We have more work to do, but it's mistletoe removal, and that just wouldn't be any fun. So we'll call it a day. That went really smooth. It was just, we were squeaking on a few rules there. Pretty close proximity to the wires, and the crane wasn't totally level, but I kept it really short, 4 picks, so it worked out real well. It took about 5 minutes to grind that stump. This morning on the way to work, this little kid, he's probably 9 or 10, I'd guess, about the height of my 10-year-old. Real slow drive, residential area, and there was a kid waiting for the school bus. And this little boy, he looks at me and he goes like this. And I was just like, "You got it, buddy." And I like laid on the air horn for him. And it was a real blast from the past, because my dad was a trucker. And he's the one who said that the kids along his route would go like that, and they wanted to hear the air horn. And then so I started doing it when I was at the school bus. I would do that, and some of the truckers would acquiesce to that request and honk. I just thought it was really cool. I mean, hear that kid, he's sitting out there and he's like aware. There's a big truck, maybe he'll honk the horn. He's not staring at a phone. He's just interested in this wholesome thing. And it really put a nice bit of energy on my drive, you know, driving in the rain and having to know in a minute I'm going to get out and get wet and be touching cold metal. And that kid like warmed me up there a little bit, so that was cool.